What's up guys, and it's here, the first look at the new upcoming OnePlus flagship. Thanks to the one and only On Leaks, the leakster, the time traveler, he revealed the full complete look of the OnePlus 7T. So as you can see, the major change is with the back design. As you can see, the circular camera setup with triple camera in horizontal position. We also have the LED flash down below. I gotta say, this looks different compared to what Google and Apple will do with their square camera setup, but it's very similar to Huawei Mate 30 Pro's camera setup, which is said to be circular as well. Nonetheless, in my opinion, it looks cool. There's a OnePlus logo at the back as well. We have the same button placement. There is no headphone jack, similar stuff as the OnePlus 7 Pro model. Now, when we take a look at the display, it's coming with a 6.5-inch screen size with an Infinity U notch. Now, hold up, don't get angry because this is the OnePlus 7T model. There's probably a 7T Pro model in the works as well that's gonna have a full bezel-less display along with a 90 Hz, or maybe if we are lucky, we might see even higher refresh rate display with that 7T Pro model. But the normal 7T has a U-shaped notch, and in that notch there is a single front camera. If we take a closer look at the renders when the phone is lying on the table, you can see that it does have a slight camera bump. It's similar to the OnePlus 7 Pro, which also has camera sticking out a little bit, not completely flushed in, so small little detail to notice. Other than that, it's looking very similar to the previous flagship. Under the hood, we're gonna see the Snapdragon 855 Plus chip along with 8 and 12 gigs of RAM. You're also going to see 256GB of non-expandable storage. Now, OnePlus has confirmed that there will be a new upcoming 5G phone as well, so that's probably going to be a 5G version of the OnePlus 7T Pro model. Again, we'll see the design for that as well, but most likely the 7T Pro will have the same circular camera design as the original 7T, but instead of a U-shaped notch, you're just going to see a completely bezel-less screen. Along with the OnePlus 7T family, OnePlus is also looking to announce a brand new product, the OnePlus TV. It's been officially confirmed by OnePlus India on Twitter. It's coming with QLED technology. If you don't know, QLED is a term Samsung made for quantum dot LED TVs. So Samsung is behind this OnePlus TV as well. The upcoming OnePlus TV is expected to be super affordable, and it's expected to be announced alongside with the OnePlus 7T family. That's all for the major news. This is indeed the OnePlus 7T first look, the new camera redesign. Let me know your thoughts about this new design change, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.